Guys, so you're probably wondering why you're staring at the Decor wall clock. Well, that is because I'm going to be replacing that hammer. And you can kind of see how filthy it is on the inside. And if you look closely, you can kind of see some of the grime. But we're going to be taking this movement out. Using this baby right here to oil it. Well, without further ado, let's set it to the top of the hour. Alright, so we're gonna start off by removing this pendulum. We're just gonna set it there for now. Then we're gonna remove everything on the inside. Yes, including the key. Alright, so I was able to get the movement out after about 45 minutes. And I got all the pins taken out for the face. So. And there's the movement. The front of the movement, at least. Alright guys, so this is a magnification using the 10 times magnification lens. We're going to go through the clock here. That winding arbor is quite dirty. Let's see here, looking for pivot points. You could see the oil's just black. And that one is kind of greenish black, but green. Please tell me that's not rust. Black. Basically, the entire movement is gone black. That's a hole. But you kind of get the point. That looks drier than a doornail. Black. Alright, now I'm going to flip this around and show you the back of the movement. And I know that's not all the pivot points. It's out of focus. Why is it out of focus? I don't know why it's out of focus. I apologize about that, guys. It just doesn't want to go in focus near the movement at all. Yeah, black, 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 Disgusting, ew, disgusting, black. Alright, going back into the 10 times magnification. This is a Davis, Germany, aka Hermle movement. No jewels. Unadjusted. It's a 351-031 from 1976. So, West Germany. And you'll notice there, that's a bushing that has a bunch of oil in it. Probably another bushing. But you kind of get the point. Everything's black. Let's take a look at that escapement. Not bad. Black, black. Everything's just black on the backside. Even the winding arbor on the backside. Alright, I'm gonna start cleaning this out now, and we'll see how clean we can get it. Also, that right there looks like it hasn't been oiled. I don't know if that even needs oil, but just to be safe. Oh, and just for reference, I am going to be replacing this hammer. Or at least getting the hammer leather. So, yeah, basically that's why the second to last note has sounded so tinny, because there's no hammer leather. That makes a lot of sense. I'm gonna fix that today. Alright, so I don't know how long this will go. But I got oil in the clock, and after fishing out the old chime leather hammer, I put a new leather hammer in, thanks to my old triple chime clock that I'm going to be replacing the movement for anyways. So here's how it sounds. Much better, much better. Just make sure it's on time. It is halfway to 109. And there we go. I'm glad I got this thing fixed. It sounded horrible with that tinny leather. Dude, that thing was so dried up I had to fish it out. But yeah. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm sorry I didn't post much of the after oil, or the after from the oiling with the magnification, but I gotta clean out. I wanted to get this back on the wall running. Oh yeah, and before I forget, that little crusty stuff back there, that's glue, because those nuts are supposed to stay in there because there's screws behind the cloth that you're supposed to remove. Stupid design, I know, but what can you do? So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.